Want a free.com domain with Hostinger? Follow these quick step-by-step instructions. Open Hostinger.com in your browser and click the Get Started button. Pick a hosting plan that clearly displays the free domain offer on the card. Choose a longer billing term to maximize savings and qualify for the free.com. Create your account, verify email, and continue to the domain search field. Type your desired name, choose .com, then select an available domain and continue. Confirm the free.com badge in your cart before proceeding to checkout. Review the total price, discounts, and final term. Pricing shows on the checkout page. Complete payment using your preferred method. Remember, renewal rates apply after the first term. Open hPanel, navigate to Domains, then assign the new .com to your website. Check domain settings, set name servers if needed, and enable auto-renew for safety. Done. Your free.com is live. Visit your site or click the link below to start.